Welcome back, friends. So, as I had mentioned over the weekend, the stopgap funding, which has resulted in averting the US government shutdown, that was nicely done by Speaker Kevin McCarthy, will have trouble as we go forward because of the very short term duration of the stopgap funding. We have until November 17 before the new worries strike. And as I've explained from time to time, markets hate uncertainty. The time gap that we have is very short, and fresh worries are already beginning to happen. This is why we see the US 10-year Treasury yields go past 4.613%. And the 30-year yields, in fact, are now 4.743%. So this sees an environment again where the yields are beginning to rise once again. And in this environment, you're seeing that the futures, which had immediately gone over 350 points, Dow futures 350 plus after the announcement of the Senate passing the bill to avert the US government shutdown, has now resulted in the futures being up. It's just a small pop up. It's up just 60 points. Nasdaq futures also hardly up now at this point of time. This is how the impact is going to be felt, and there are going to be fresh worries which are going to start on so many other factors as well, such as the student loan repayment. There are other issues also which are beginning to come on the horizon and which are going to come and start hurting. And everyone needs to understand as an investor that, yes, there has been a strong momentum in the rally, but even in the United States, it has been kicked by the Magnificent Seven, and definitely outdoing the other stocks and standing out. Now, how long can this continue if it is not a broad-based rally in the United States? So, friends, to get to know more now, what will be the further impact? People are expecting a big rise because of the US government shutdown having been averted, and that's beginning to already peter out. So, where do we go from here? Where are the markets headed? As I mentioned, these are fresh worries that are beginning to come on the horizon. Rising oil prices rising once again, yields rising once again, student loans coming on the repayment schedule. And there is the budget deficit which has to be financed, and fresh approvals need to be obtained. There is a move to remove Speaker Kevin McCarthy at this point of time. So many things are building on the horizon, and they all may come and slam markets. As I had mentioned over the weekend itself, people were over optimistic, and whenever you get too optimistic, and there's everybody who has crossed over to the bull camp, then even from a behavioral investment perspective, you'll find that the rally tends to peter out at this point of time. To friends, get to know where we are headed from here. Please do join for the Indian markets. You can join the Premium Plus. Premium gives you 2 days or 3 days predictions in advance. We try to make it 3. And Premium Plus is something which gives you 8 to 10 days predictions in advance. You also have for the US markets a Prime and Prime Plus. It's very similar to Premium and Premium Plus. And the final, the very modestly priced Ganesh Chaturthi package is going to end in just 1 day. So you can join that as well today. Number to get in touch for all this is 9820861044. भाई और बहनों, अमेरिका के गवर्नमेंट के शटडाउन के चिन्ह जैसे दिखाई दे रहे थे इस वीकेंड को, लेकिन केविन मैकार्थी साहब स्पीकर ने ये अवर्ट करवा दिया, और डेमोक्रेट्स और रिपब्लिकन्स के बीच में बहुत खूबसूरत डील बना के इसको अवर्ट हो गया. लेकिन आगे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स बाकी हैं, क्योंकि एक तो पहले ये बहुत शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन का है. नवंबर 17 को फिर से उनको एक नया डील पास करना पड़ेगा, फिर से तालमेल होगी. तालमेल होना आसान नहीं है, इलेक्शन ईयर आ रहा है, और ये सब चीज़ों की वजह से आप देखेंगे कि 10 साल का जो बॉन्ड का जो यील्ड है वो ऑलरेडी बढ़ के 4.61 तक पहुंच चुका है. ये 15 सालों में इतना सबसे अधिक न्यूनतम स्तर तक पहुंच चुका है. इसके अलावा बहुत सारी गिरावटें की बहुत सारी वजह भी दिखाई दे रही हैं जो धीरे धीरे आने वाली हैं, और जैसे कि स्टूडेंट लोन रीपेमेंट की इश्यूज आ रही हैं, और दूसरे भी बहुत सारे चिन्ह बन रहे हैं, जैसे कि बजट डेफिसिट को फाइनेंस करना है तो उसके बारे में एग्रीमेंट कच्चे तेल की कीमत फिर से बढ़ रही है। ये सब सोमवार के दिन को हो रहा है विश्व बाजारों में, और सबका कुल मिल का इम्पैक्ट जो है वो फिर आएगा भारतीय बाजारों में भी। जब वो खुलेंगे मंगलवार को तो जरूर ज्वाइन करिए प्रीमियम प्लस भारतीय बाजारों के बारे में ज़्यादा अधिक जानकारी के लिए। और आप बहुत ही मॉडेस्टली प्राइस्ड है गणेश चतुर्थी स्पेशल, जो लास्ट 2 दिनों तक बचे हैं, आज और कल का दिन है लास्ट, उसे ज्वाइन करके इसका कल हम बहुत कम लोगों को, क्योंकि फिक्स्ड हमारी कोटा है, वो लेने वाले हैं, लेकिन आज का दिन ओपन है गणेश चतुर्थी स्पेशल और इससे वो समाप्त हो जाएगा। तो आप ज़रूर ये सब ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। संपर्क करने का नंबर 9820861044। गणेश चतुर्थी स्पेशल हमने स्पेशली इसको बहुत मॉडेस्टली प्राइस रखा ताकि अधिक से अधिक लोग ये सब ज्वाइन करके और इसका एडवांटेज उठा सके, और कि आगे कहाँ से मार्केट्स चेंज हो रही हैं, आगे क्या दिख रहा है। ठीक है, तो हर दिन आपको नेक्स्ट इन मार्केट के बारे में पहले बताया जाएगा। नमस्ते, और आपसे संपर्क फिर होगा। जय हिंद।